everybody, it's Julie. Thanks for joining me here for an unboxing video. Wanted to share the new beautiful Creative Retreat kit for the month of February. So let me open this up and dig in. If you notice, used to be that she would send it in a white bag, but now they're coming in clear bags, which keeps it handy. This is more accessible. You can put your kit back in it and stack that into a bin, and it's see-through so you can see what you've got. All right, let's see what we have here in this kit. This is the Faith Art Box, the physical kit. Of course, these are all available a la carte as well as in digital. So let's start with the devotional. It is called Come Boldly, and I am just loving these watercolor florals. We've got some key verses here. These are all from the New Testament because it's talking about the verse Hebrews 4:16. Let us then approach God's throne of grace with confidence so that we may receive mercy and find grace to help us in our time of need. And we're going to be exploring that. We've got some reflection questions here, 5 of them. They're always good questions that really help you to delve into the content. And this, what I love about the Creative Retreat kits and the devotional is that you can make it a quick study, or you can really just go into each verse and go into all the reflection questions and do even bunny trails after that and just really make a lot out of it. So it really suits whatever you want. Look at this beautiful print on the back. I'm loving these colors, the lavenders, the pinks, the peaches. Then we have 2 alphabet sticker sheets, and I love these small tiny tiles. There are 432 on each sheet, and they come in 4 different colors, and we have both the alphas and the numbers and some symbols. So I always love getting this type of alpha set with my Creative Retreat kits. And then this beautiful decor sticker sheet with all these pretty colors, and I'm loving this addition of that brown. We've got some labels, some wordfetti. What I'm noticing here is that we don't have any of the big bold words. Those come more on the glossy sticker sheet. And look at those prints, those beautiful watercolor florals. Oh, so pretty. I like this little journaling card. Of course, wonky hearts, several tabs. So really versatile. The words mercy and grace, throne of grace, approach, confidence, receive, hope, find, come. Let's look at the stamp set. This looks so cute because we're talking about approaching the throne of grace. Look at this throne. That is so sweet. And then we've got some words, and I love that we've got a couple of different fonts because I love mixing fonts. We've got this cross, and an ampersand, and I just really love this throne. Okay, so that's the stamp set. It is a 3x4, good quality stamp set. But this is what I'm most excited about. Look at this washi tape, y'all. Let me open it up. You get a full-size washi. You can see how thick it is. But oh my goodness, look at this beautiful print. Let me get it. That shows you it's good quality, it's sticky. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I am in love. That's just beautiful. Let's put that there. So you get the stamp, the washi tape, a glossy sticker sheet, a cardboard sticker sheet. You get the 2 alphabet sticker sheets and the devotional. That is in the physical kit, the Faith Art Box. And again, just about all of these things could be ordered a la carte. Yes, everything here could be ordered a la carte. Digital, you can't get these alpha stickers digital, but you can get the Faith-Filled Digitals, which has a lot of these same elements to it. Of course, you can get the digital devotional, and you could buy this stamp set individually, not digitally, but you can get it individually. So let me show you the Faith-Filled Digitals. Okay, we start off with, you get 3 sheets of digital images. This is the decor elements, and I've printed it this time on clear sticker paper because I knew with these florals I wanted to be able to make them clear. And then those thin words too, I can always though stick them onto some cardstock if I want them thicker, and then just cut them out that way. So you've got the hearts, some of those same words, lots of labels, and again these beautiful watercolor florals. Then you get a piece of pattern swatches, 4 different pattern swatches, and they all coordinate. Look how they just blend beautifully. Then this is my favorite sheet. You get 6 different journaling cards. I've printed this on both paper and cardstock for so I can use it for various things. Oh, that's where that cross comes in. It could go right onto the throne. I love that. One of the journaling cards always has the verse. You've got one with lines for journaling, some label cards, and then these are great for pocket journaling, for, of course, Bible journaling. I love using them in my little miniature Bible. I can just pop them in there and do some prayer journaling on the back. Just wonderful, versatile product right here. And like I said, I printed it on paper. I've also printed the devotional on paper because I love being able to isolate these elements. I love getting this pattern. And then I also love, just in my faith planner, cutting this up using different paragraphs. And I always love using the reflection questions. So that is the Faith-Filled Digitals, the Faith Art Box. It is the Faith Art Collection for the month of February, entitled Come Boldly from Creative Retreat Kits. Here are some beautiful colors to match. We've got Peachy Keen, Tango Mango, Waterfall Blue. I pulled out the Maple Cream because I think that matches nicely too. And then we have Foxglove and also Cotton Candy. So those are some great colors to match this month's kit. So I will have all the products linked in the description box. If you have any questions or comments about this kit, then leave them in the comment section and I will respond to those. I'd love to see how you use these, so make sure to tag me on Instagram at julesk.jules. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.